No matter what your outdoor interests are, be it fishing, hunting, camping, or adventuring, there's always a need for a cooler. Rolling coolers are essential for outdoor activities as they're easy to move and store. You don't have to worry about carrying a heavy cooler down to the beach, you can simply rely on the cooler's wheels to ensure portability. A rolling cooler is any type of cooler that has wheels attached to it for easy movement. They come in various storage capacities and can be hard-sided or soft-sided. If you're someone who commonly hikes rocky terrain or goes on off-road adventures, you'll want a cooler with sturdy wheels. And, in these cases, packing an extra set of wheels is always a good backup plan. The type of cooler you need depends on what you intend to store in it, your type of adventure, and the storage space available. Our comprehensive guide will help you understand the different factors that go into buying a rolling cooler and how you can pick the right one. With one of these top-rated rolling coolers of 2023, you'll be adventuring in style while staying cool. Number 1. The Best Ultra Compact Cooler. If you're looking for a lightweight cooler that keeps your food and drinks cool, then the Best Ultra Compact Cooler is the one for you. At only 3 pounds, this product offers an impressive amount of storage while being lightweight and easy to move around. Perfect for camping, fishing, picnics, hiking, a day at the beach, bonfires, long road trips, trips to the zoo, boating and to your kids' sports games. Nice small design makes it great use as a lunchbox. Extra large side mesh pockets and beverage holders. Large front zipper pocket for easy access, securely store keys, phone and wallet and other personal items. This leak-proof, soft-sided cooler is collapsible, so you can collapse it for better storage and portability. Plus, the mesh pockets create more storage capacity for any items that don't fit inside. If you're someone who travels often and loves outdoor activities, this is the perfect rolling cooler for you. Number 2. Arctic Zone Titan Rolling Cooler. The Arctic Zone Titan Rolling Cooler is the ideal cooler for those who want an option in between a hard-sided and a soft-sided cooler. This fully collapsible, soft-sided cooler features a heat barrier that reflects heat from the surface while maintaining the deep freeze insulation inside. Includes a detachable all-terrain cart with an expandable, extra-wide base and all-terrain wheels and a retractable, telescopic hook-and-go handle, can hold up to 100 pounds of food and drink items. What's more, its leak-proof construction ensures your food and drinks stay safe and sound. Plus, you can store all types of foods inside thanks to its microban lining, which repels odors. As an added bonus, this rolling cooler's surface is easy to clean so you don't have to worry about the exterior becoming dirty or stained. Number 3. Igloo Rolling Wheeled Cooler. The Igloo Rolling Wheeled Cooler is one of the most traditional hard-sided products on our list. It's made of a hard plastic exterior with high walls that add to its insulation. Plus, the push-button lock makes sure that the handle fixes at the chosen height. This Igloo Rolling Cooler has a recessed drain plug that's designed for ease in emptying melted ice and cleaning. It also features molded side handles that allow for comfortable carrying and lifting. This blue cooler is able to hold up to 90 cans on the inside so you can keep an entire party stocked with various beverages. It has 2 wheels for easily rolling to your destination. What's more, you can easily adjust the height of the handle since it is telescopic. The wheels are made of a durable material and are perfect for off-road use at campsites or sports games. Super accessible, this cooler is very easy to pack and unpack ice, drinks, and food. Number 4. Coleman Rolling Cooler. When it comes to cooling, the Coleman Rolling Cooler has your back. It will keep your drinks cold even on the hottest days, making this the most long-lasting cooler on our list. This impressive cooler can keep ice frozen for up to 5 days, which means your food and drinks will be kept at the optimum temperature for an extended period. With its smoother texture, the Easy Clean lid wipes clean easily, making cleanup a breeze. You'll be ready for your next outdoor gathering in no time. Sturdy lid supports up to 250 pounds so you always have an extra place to sit and relax with friends and family. Conveniently molded into the lid are 2-inch deep cup holders to keep drinks handy and avoid spills. What's more, it has an insulated lid which makes it difficult for the cold air to escape. Since the product has an impressive 50-quart storage capacity, a 250-pound support on the lid, and built-in cup holders, it is an all-around winner in every aspect. Number 5. Yeti Portable Wheeled Cooler. The Yeti Portable Wheeled Cooler is made of an acrylic armored exterior with large back wheels, which make it easy to move around. Plus, its stable T-bar handle structure is simple to pull along as you cross a park, beach or field. You can easily take this cooler with you on all types of uneven terrain. Yeti hard coolers are over-engineered to outperform and sized for all adventures. The new and improved Roadie 24 hard cooler is ideal for a road trip. The Yeti V-Series stainless steel cooler stands apart in its groundbreaking thermal performance, and if you're looking for a legendary, nearly unbreakable cooler, look no further than the Tundra line. Every one of our hard coolers can handle the paces of a rugged life in the wild and still keep ice for days. This roller cooler has extended insulation that keeps ice frozen for longer and ensures your food doesn't go bad no matter how warm it is outside. If you're looking for a cooler for sports or outdoor use, this fortified rolling cooler is your ideal choice.